Hello and welcome to my channel. So today in this video we are going to download ESRi 10 meter annual land use land cover data that is available from 2017 to 2022, and it has been created from ESA Sentinel-2 imagery, which is of 10 meter resolution, and each map has the composite of 9 classes. So it has around 9 classes, and the classes are water, and then vegetation, and then flooded vegetation, and crop areas, and then built up areas, bare ground areas, snow or ice areas, and then there is no any classification due to cloud coverage, and the last is rangeland open area. So we'll learn how to download this uh, land use land cover data, and we'll also explore some of the tools that are available in this website, that is comparison map. And you can see at this uh, uh, screen there is changes map, land use land cover change map from 2017 to 2022. We'll also learn about this, so let's get started. So go to google.com and then search for ESRi land cover 2022, and when you see, click on OK, you can see the first website ESRi land cover ArcGIS living atlas, and you can click on this and after clicking on this you can see the website. This website has all the information about ESRi land cover, so how it is made and what you can find in this data, and how you can created the change data, and everything you can see on this website. So we'll be exploring everything on when we move ahead. So what I'll do is I'll go to launch the land cover exploration application. So you can see here, you can also see the changes map from 2017 to 2022. So we'll also make this. So let's go to launch the land cover explorer application. So when you go to this website, you can see the background of imagery, and then hillside, and then land use land cover. So when it is placed above the hillside, the land use land cover, so very much beautiful visualization of the terrain. So it shows the terrain visualization with hillside, and you can see various option available here. So let's go to some areas and then select on uh, these areas. And when you see the extent of the area in this map, there is some data showing at the bottom here, land cover total at 2022. So what it does is it shows the value of percentage area coverage at this extent. So within this extent the water percentage is 0.9, and then trees is 37 percentage, flooded area is 0.2 percentage, and 32% is crop, one is built up area, and 0% bare land, and 29% rangeland. So after that what we'll do is we'll click on this uh, data. So we'll drag this to 2017, and after you click on this play button, you can see the visualization from 2017 to 2022. You can visualize the land use land cover change from 2022, from 2017 to 2022. And after that you can also see the legend here. Blue represents water, the green represents trees, and then this simple light green represents flooded vegetation, and then crops, built up areas, and everything that. Now what we'll do is we'll go to download the land cover data. So you can see here, download the land cover data, and I will click on this. And what it does is, it has a various style that can cover the whole world, right? So you can go to any of your area. So for that case, I'll go to the area of Nepal, and when I click on this tile, the blue represents the individual tile. You can see the option for downloading from 2017 to 2022. What I'll do is, I'll go to 2022. 2022, after click on this, you can see the download option. And I have since I have already downloaded, it gave me the option for re-download, and I will download this in random. So I have a folder, and I'll save it and start download. So it will take some time to download. Okay, after this data is downloaded, let's go to the folder, and you can see there is a folder on my there is a folder, and I have saved it in it, and there is a data downloaded here, and I have also created a shape file of certain one of the district of Nepal, and I will import that in ArcGIS. So let's import that in ArcGIS, and you can see this type of data you can see in ArcGIS. So here you can see the green represents the forest area, the red represents the you can say it as built up areas, and blue represents water areas, right? So after that, what I will do is, I will clip this uh, within the area of interest. So we only need within our area of interest, right? So for that, what I will do is, I will go to source, and I'll search as extract by mask, and click on this, and our input raster will be this land use land cover, and mask will be this, and we'll save this in we can save anywhere on, we can save it on desktop, right? And save it at extract.tif. So don't forget to put tif at the last, and then click OK. So it will only extract the land use land cover within your boundary. So we don't need the outer extract, right? Outer content. So let me change the color, and I think you can click on this and change accordingly. So this is green color, so you can change it as this, and you can also change this to, I think this is yellow, right? Yes, and then you can change uh, this to red, and the red is good, I guess. Yes, and then what is blue? So the blue is 1, right? And then it is changed according to our requirements. So when I remove the background and only show this, okay, you can see how beautiful our land use land cover data have been prepared from ESRi land cover data. So in this way, you can download any land use land cover data of any area within the world using ESRi land cover data. So if you like this video, if you find this video helpful, Don't forget to subscribe my channel so that I will be bringing more and more this type of video in the future. And thank you very much for watching.